Yo, what's good, PIP N DIP family? Today I have a very quick video for you guys on this trade breakdown that I called last night in my VIP signals chat. If you guys want to sign up to catch all these with me, I'm going to leave the link in the description for you. Anyways, I caught this amazing signal, right? And so what I was looking for when I was in the market here last night was I saw that we had a continuation structure right here, right? So I was expecting a nice little pullback, but what I also noticed was that we had all the liquidity that was built up, resting kind of over here. And so I was thinking, okay, if we have all this liquidity, we might be able to actually take it all the way back up and latch onto something there for potential sells. So I was on my minute 5 and I was waiting for the lows of Asian session to get broken. And as you can see here, we swept the lows of Asian session. So first thing I did was I waited for this break of structure up here to happen. And as you can see, I was just playing, I had to play this market really patient. Once I had that break of structure, I then had this zone. And now within this zone, I was looking for confirmation to take this trade back up. So let's just change that to a break of structure to the upside instead of waiting. And you can see price drops in here. And so what I did was I went down to my minute 2 and I saw, we had kind of started to wick off of that zone. So I was waiting for price to do its thing and close in there. Or if we broke above on a lower time frame, then on a different time frame, then I was going to call that order block. But as you can see here, we closed in on the minute 2. So at this point, I was just waiting on a nice little break of structure right here to look to call my order block and take these buys up. So you can see here, it pushes even further down. So now all I'm doing is I'm waiting on this. And right there, I receive it. So at this point, I was able to call my buys. And I believe my signal itself was 431 with a stop loss of 378, just about there. And, I had a profit resting up here just to sweep this liquidity over here. But I also looked on the hour. And just like I say, we're in an hour order block. It's just refined down. We can use an hour take profit level. So I could be looking to sweep all this liquidity here while I still have this order block resting here and this big gap over here. So even if I extend this over, you can see this kind of all looks like it's a part of that trend line. So for my swing take profit, I went with this over here because it's resting towards the top of this liquidity. Plus it's at that psychological level of 200, right? Almost a 1 to 34. And you can see on a lower time frame, now we're just going to let this play out. Price does its thing, comes in, taps up, and then just freaking rockets up. Drops a little bit further down. You could scale in right here just to show you guys what I'm talking about. Just even on a minute 5, I'm not even refining this. Yeah, it's a bigger stop loss, but it's still, let's just say you wanted to take that bigger move. You wanted to give yourself more room. That's still about a 1 to 5. And even if you go down on time frames, you could have caught that. Anyways, as you guys can see, we're tapped in and price just starts to move up and up and up. And I had some take profits in this area. I closed my trade just about here because I wanted to go to bed. And, I was up a good chunk of money. I believe I made like $1,800 on this trade alone. But when I woke up, I saw that our swing take profit was absolutely smashed. And you guys can see just like that. If you guys enjoyed this content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to leave the link in the description to my VIP signals chat, also my free signals chat, and my Discord, which is also free. So yeah, if you guys like this content, I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out a ton. Peace.